How to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode.
Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap Haptics. Make sure Play in silent mode or Always Play is selected. This allows your iPhone to vibrate even when the Ring silent switch is set to silent. Now, go back to the Sounds and Haptics menu and tap Ringtone. At the top of the screen, select Haptics and choose the vibration pattern you want for incoming calls. You can also repeat this step for text tone if you'd like your messages to vibrate as well. If your iPhone still isn't vibrating, check that haptics aren't completely disabled and make sure your device isn't in a mode that's limiting notifications. That's it. Once these settings are enabled, your iPhone will vibrate while on silent mode, helping you stay aware of important calls and messages without turning the sound back on. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone and iOS 26 tips.